Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we explain IDMe app review to see if it's worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about the IDMe app, IDMe is an identity verification app that help users securely confirm who they are when accessing service like government portal, healthcare providers, or even online discount. It uses features such as document scanning, selfie check, and two-factor authentication to make sure your identity is verified safely. So once verified, you can reuse your IDMe credentials across multiple platforms, which makes logging in faster and even more convenient. On the flip side, IDMe has raised concern about privacy since it uses facial recognition and stores sensitive personal data. Some users have also experienced login or long verification time, technical glitches, and slow customer support. There have also been reports of accuracy issues for certain users during the verification process. So in conclusion, the IDMe app still worth using if you want a widely accepted and secure way to verify your identity online, but it is not ideal if you are uneasy about data privacy, facial recognition, or occasional delay in support. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks.